Guys, it's Ritika. So today's video is a Nykaa haul video and I shopped a lot during the Pink Friday sale, and this video is the second part of the Nykaa sale haul video, and I'm gonna link the first part in the description box below if you guys want to check it out. And I think now a huge sale is gonna come on Republic Day, so whatever product you like you can add into your wish list or into your cart, and you can make the purchase whenever a huge sale comes next. I have kept all the products in these Nykaa boxes, and now the first product is this Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and I already have it in the shade 230 Natural Buff, and it's a little light for me, so I wanted to get a darker shade for myself, and this time I got it in the shade 310 Sun Beige, but I feel this shade is a little dark for me, so I am not able to find my correct shade till now. So now I mix both of these shades, the 231 and the 310, and after mixing these two shades it works perfectly for me, and it's a very nice foundation to wear on daily basis or whenever you are going out. Although I don't wear foundations on daily basis, but whenever I go out or whenever I have any event or any party, I just wear this foundation. It works amazingly, guys. It has a very nice matte finish, and also it just gives a glow, and it really fits into your skin, into your complexion. It just makes it right. So I just love wearing this foundation, and also it's for normal to oily skin people, and also it's a very affordable foundation as well. You can get it under rupees 500. The next product is also from the Maybelline Fit Me range, and it's the concealer, and I got it in the shade medium. I saw a lot of good reviews about it, and I really like the Maybelline Fit Me range. I also love the compact as well, and the concealer also works very amazingly. It gives a nice coverage, and also it doesn't fade away or it doesn't look cakey or anything. I really like the concealer, but still guys, I want to tell you this thing that I loved the concealer which I am really enjoying right now, and I'm only going to that concealer, and this is the Maybelline Age Divider, and I just love this concealer. And since the time I've gotten this one, I'm not using this or any other concealer. I'm just using this concealer. So if you are to choose between these two, then I would advise you guys to go for this one, because I really like the coverage, the formula and everything. It just works amazingly. So in between these two, go for this one. The next product is also from Maybelline, and it's the Master Chrome by Face Studio Metallic Highlighter, and it's an amazing highlighter to get your hands on. The pigmentation is amazing, and I think it's launched in 2 shades in India, and I am not too sure about this range. It's number 100 Molten Gold, if I'm not wrong, and this shade is perfect for a skin tone similar to mine or even duskier than mine. It looks so amazing, guys. It gives a very fine metallic finish. It looks so stunning on you, and the pigmentation is amazing, guys. I'm gonna swatch it for you. Just look at the pigmentation. It looks so good, so nice, and this is what I have over my cheeks and on the bridge of my nose as well. It looks so stunning. I'm just in love with this highlighter. The next product is from Wet n Wild, and it's the Rose in the Air palette, and it's such a hype palette on YouTube, guys. Everyone talks about it, and it's mostly out of stock on Nykaa. So as I said in my last video as well, that whenever a product gets out of stock, you get a lot curious and you want that product. So that's why I wanted this product and wanted to see how and why it's so much hyped. So I really like this palette. The color scheme, the colors are really beautiful, and they are pigmented as well, but I feel that the shimmery shades are not that pigmented, but the matte shades are very pigmented. And so to use the shimmery shades, I use my fingertips only, and I don't use a brush, because whenever I use a brush to apply the shimmery shades, they just don't show up on my eyes. So to use the shimmery shades, you should go on with your fingertips. But apart from that, the color and everything is so amazing. It looks very nice, and it's also a very affordable eyeshadow palette to get your hands on. It has 2 shimmery shades, and all of the shades are matte, and I really feel that the color scheme is really nice. It has a pink, it has a peach, brown and copper color, golden color, and this color also works great as a highlighter. So all in all, this palette is really nice, and the hype about it is justified. So whenever it comes back in stock, you just go and get your hands on it. Just one thing, that there's a little fallout when you apply the shades, so do your eye makeup first and then do your base makeup. And apart from that, this palette is a must have. The next thing is also from Wet n Wild, and it's the powder brush. And guys, I'm in love with Wet n Wild brushes. I have so many Wet n Wild brushes, and I absolutely love them. The quality is amazing, so I would highly recommend you guys to go for Wet n Wild brushes, as they are so affordable, plus there is no fallout, and also they work amazingly. So this powder brush is working really nicely, and it applies the powder all over my face. So I use it to apply my loose powder, my compact compact and also pressed powders, and it works really nicely. The next thing is this Lakme Iconic Kajal, and while I was ordering this, I didn't research much and I just ordered it. But I think there are a lot of other kajal options available in the market which are very good, so I don't know about them because I don't use kajals much. But I think it's a decent kajal to have. It doesn't smudge much and also smudge much, and it also stays for a decent amount of time, and it's waterproof as well. So it's a nice decent kajal to have, but I think there are a lot of good kajals available in the market, so just do your research and then buy your kajal. The next product is a hand cream, and it's from Aroma Magic, and I wanted a hand cream which doesn't feel sticky and also which doesn't get transferred to my mobile or any other thing that I touch. So I wanted a nice moisturizing and non-sticky hand cream, and I was confused between the Nykaa hand cream and this Aroma Magic one. But finally, after reading all the reviews and comparing them, and also after comparing the prices as well, I thought to give this a try. And it doesn't make your hands sticky or it doesn't get transferred as well, so I really liked it. And also it's paraben free, phthalates free. It has a lot of good ingredients inside it and a lot of essential oils as well. So I really like this hand cream, and it is also suitable for all skin types. Next, I got some wipes and cotton pads. So the first wipe packet is from Kara. It's the makeup removal skincare wipes, and the fragrance is seaweed and lavender, and it has 30 wipes in it for rupees 175, but of course there was a discount on it. These wipes are working really nicely and they are able to remove my makeup, but of course you need to use your makeup remover along with the wipes as well if you want that 100% satisfaction. But on their own they are also able to remove the makeup, and they also come with this plastic thingy to protect moisture loss from it. So I really like the packet which comes with this thing, as your wipes gets dried up and then you just can't use them. So this is the first packet of wipes, and the second packet of wipes that I got is from Himalayas, and this is the Gentle Baby Wipes. So I also use these baby wipes. Firstly, these are very soft as these are specially made for babies, and I just use them to remove my makeup or in general just to clean my face. And this packet has 72 wipes in it, and it comes for rupees 175. And I think it's a nice and affordable packet of wipes to use, because this you get for 175 you are getting 30 wipes in it, and in this you are getting 72 wipes, so it's more than double. So of course you can invest in this wipe as you can save some money as well, and they work amazingly in removing your makeup along with your makeup remover. So it's a nice wipe option to have, and they also come with this plastic thingy to prevent moisture loss from the wipes. So it's the second wipes that I got. Next, I got this cotton pad packet from Bella Cotton, and these have these cotton pads to remove your makeup or to just apply toner. And this packet has 70 cotton pads for 109 rupees, and I feel that this is a decent quality cotton pad to use. But if you happen to visit Miniso store, and you should go to Miniso store, so you can buy these cotton pads from Miniso. I really like these, and also these are for rupees 150, and this packet has 180 cotton sheets in it. I really like the quality of these, and it's also very affordable to use as well. So instead of ordering any cotton pads from Nykaa or any other brand, just go for these Miniso cotton pads. These are affordable and they work amazingly as well. And now coming to the next products, I got few products from PAC. So I'm gonna start with this Retro Matte Mini collection. So PAC has launched this collection. It's been a while now. So I have it since 4-5 months, but now I'm putting it in my Nykaa haul. So this is the Retro Mini Matte Ultra Retro collection, and I have it in the shade Pink Nude, and this has 4 shades inside it, and it is for rupees 12.45, and PAC doesn't provide any discount whatsoever. You can just get 5% off when you visit their store, but on Nykaa they are never available on discounts, so you're gonna get them only on MRP. And this has beautiful 4 shades inside it, and I'm really in love with all the colors. Just one thing, that you need to moisturize your lips, or you need to scrub your lips before applying these, because they are super matte and they stay throughout the day on your lips. One of the shades in this got dried up, so I am really not liking this, that I haven't used that shade a lot and it's already dried up right now, and I do a lot of struggle in applying that shade, and it's all dried up, and I haven't even used it a lot till now. I just have used it for 2 to 3 times and it's already dried up. So just this is a drawback with this set, but apart from that, these 3 shades are working nicely and they are also not dried up. So just look for this thing. So it's upon you guys if you want to try out these pink nude shades, which are really amazing. So you can go for this collection. This is the Retro Matte pink nude collection. Just make sure to tighten the caps really nicely, as these may dry up. So this is the only drawback that they have. Apart from that, the collection is amazing. So now about the products from PAC, which I just ordered 2 days back. So there was this offer on Nykaa that if you're gonna order PAC products worth rupees 9.99 or more than that, then you're gonna get a mascara free. So I ordered 2 products from PAC for more than 1,000 rupees and I got this mascara free. But this mascara is a waste, guys. I think they have sent me a defective piece. The wand is not straight and I just can't apply this mascara, and also it says in this end that it is the slim end and the other end is a slimmer end, and you can easily apply your mascara nicely with it, but this end just doesn't work. It's too slim, guys. You cannot work with it. So I think it's a waste mascara and they have sent their defective pieces. So I'm not liking it, and it's just a waste product. And the 2 products that I got from PAC are these 2 things. So I got this PAC Ultimate Blender Sponge. I wanted a beauty blender from PAC and I was confused between the pink beauty blender and this one. And finally, after reading a lot of reviews and just comparing them together, and also it has a pouch with it, so it's really nice to store your beauty blender in it when it's wet. And the pink one doesn't have any pouch, and it also comes with this container, so you can also use it to store your beauty blenders. That's why I ordered this black one, and it also has 2 beauty blenders inside it, and it was for rupees 785 something, and the pink one is for rupees 545 something, and it's only one. And this pack has 2 of these, so I just thought of getting this one. So the first blender is of a tear shape and the second blender is similar to the Real Techniques blender. The next and the last thing of this haul is a pair of eyelashes, and these are also from PAC, and it's in the number M72, and these are a little heavy eyelashes, so I wanted some eyelashes to wear in a party. That's why I got this one. So as you guys can see, these are pretty heavy. I'm in love with PAC eyelashes, and I also have it in the number PAC 53, so you guys can compare both of these. The PAC 53 one are very lightweighted, they look so natural. So this one has a lot less hair compared to this one. So this is basically to wear in parties, and this is to give you some natural look if you love wearing some natural eyelashes. So this is for that. So this is the last product that I got from PAC, and this was all about this Nykaa haul, and I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, then do give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon so you'll get notified whenever I'll be uploading new videos. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon, and all of my social media is listed in the description box below. My Insta, my Snapchat is in the description box below, so you can check that out and visit me there. And that's about it for this video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.